In this Java tutorial, we will talk about classes. First, let's learn why classes are used. I want to give a real-life example. There are many cities in a country. Cities are formed by dividing countries into certain borders. Dividing countries into cities makes management easier. Similarly, when we develop a large project with Java, we divide it into logical sections. These logical sections are called classes. This makes the code readable and easy to find solutions to problems. For example, you want to create an e-commerce application. You need to do mathematical operations for accounting. Let's create a class for mathematical operations. I create a class in the source file in the project. You can create many methods in the class. For example, I create a method for addition operation. I will send two integer values to the method. The method will add two integer values and return the result. Now let's learn how we can use the class in the project. When the Java programs are running, the main class is the first to work. I will define a variable in the main class. The variable will be of the math operation type. I make a definition in memory using new and the class name. I can close the side window. Now I can access the methods of the class using the object I defined. I will call the addition method in the class I created in the println function. I am sending the numbers 3 and 7 to the method. The method in the math operation class adds two numbers and returns the result. Many methods can be defined in a class. For example, I can define subtraction, division, and multiplication methods. I define these methods in order. I can call all of these methods in the main class. As in addition, I call other methods. We may have problems with mathematical operations while creating an e-commerce site. Now, instead of checking the entire main class, it is enough to check the math operation class. In other words, we divided a large project into a section logically. Classes can be created for hundreds of different purposes in large project. In this way, we make the project easier to manage. We talked about classes in this video. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.